Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. In this video you can learn from today's how to create a financial dashboard in using MS Excel. You can see the lot of videos in my previous video. You can use and observe from a lot of videos in the Power BI project and SQL projects also available, right? And this is one of the first time I had to create from the financial dashboard using MS Excel. This is a compared from the Power BI is a why not able using the MS Excel. Why means there is a compare with the Power BI. There is a MS Excel. There is a have the limited number of the rows only can able to store from the in MS Excel. But in the Power BI and SQL, so there is a have no limit from the can able to store the lot of rows. But is can able to see in the MS Excel you can able to rows you can able to store from the 10 lakhs rows only can able to store, but is a compared to the Power BI is the data is a can able to get the 20 lakhs 20 lakhs data we can able to get. We're not able to store from the MS Excel. That is only using the Power BI you can able to easy to create from the report. Right now we can able to observe from the using financial dashboard. You can what is the total revenue by ranking wise and what is the total revenue by region wise. When is region there is how the lot of region Asia, UK, USA. What is the we never get the what is the total revenue, right? And ranks, the ranks also very important. There is a multiple stores are available, but I need the what is the first store revenue, second store revenue, third store revenue, right? Can use it using the pie chart. You can able to observe on the what is the getting from the revenue, and one more what is the productive wise gender wise total revenue. When you getting the lot of the products, right? Now I need the what is the revenue you can able to get from the this product and smartphone, laptops. Lot of products are available, right? I get the what is the revenue you can able to get in number of males and females. Most attracting from the males which product and females which product. Can easy to observe from this chart, right? And one more is a, what is the country wise revenue, and there is a lot of countries are available, right? Now example like to say UK, USA, Asia, lot of countries, right? Inland, right? Now I need the what is the most getting the revenue from these products, right? Now inland means getting the more revenue. Yes, also this product is getting the more revenue. Can easy to observe from that, right? Light can use in the slices. The slices are very important, guys. When you have to creating different slices, monthly slicer, yearly slicer, general slicer, product slicer. Monthly slicer why are using means when I have the monthly when is getting the monthly revenue. When I need the what's the January month revenue, February month revenue, and December month revenue and yearly wise revenue. One is a compare with the 2019 and 2022 getting the more revenue or not, right? And gender wise females or males getting the more revenue getting from the males or females, and product wise which product which getting from the more revenue, and getting this laptops in the inland getting the more revenue. In the India they're getting the have more smartphones that sellings are available in the India, that is getting the more revenue. That is focusing from the there, right? That is that you can able to observe from the financial dashboard, right? Now you can able to see how to create a financial dashboard. Let's go how to create a wonderful dashboard. This is the data set, right? Now you can able to observe region, country, sales report, first name, last name, gender, and age, which age they are, and levels are, ranking, product, and yearly, quarter, monthly, and revenue. If you're getting what's the total revenue, right? This is the data set, right? Now you can able to check the step by step how to create a report. So how to create a one more here, click from here. Yeah, now how to rename it is a report you can have to create from here. Have to go from the data, and first I have to create from the first step I have to do means go to insert bar. Now insert to power pivot table, right? From the table click from here. There is have two options. First one is a new worksheet and extract the worksheet. The new worksheet you can able to is getting the newly, right? Extract you can able to get the total. Extracting means can able to get from the pivot, right? First have to select from only the new worksheet. Okay, compress from the okay, have to give from the location also if that is your wish. And okay, yes, now you can able to observe here, right? Now I need to create a first is chart using the pie chart. What is the ranking wise revenue, right? Where is ranking wise revenue? Yeah, using the pie chart, how can you able to go with the pivot charts? There is how lot of charts are available, right? Now you can able to observe using the pie chart only. How to? Okay, you can press from the okay. Right. Now you can have to rename it from here. Total revenue by rank, right? Press OK. Now I need the data labels also. Can click from the data labels. Now I need the different style center. You need inside, outside. There is a lot of options are available. Click from this, right? And yes, okay, press Control C, copy and go to the report. Now I need the total boxes are remove. I need the plane. Go with the view. Now you can have the grid line. You can remove it. Yeah. Now paste from here. Yeah. After you can able to create a one title also. Keep it here. Yeah. Keep it from here. Yes. Can decrease in the size first of all. Yes. Can decrease in the size. Yeah. Now I need the one more chart. I need the what is the region wise total revenue. Go with the data. Now you can go with the insert. Now you can import from the pivot table. Same. Okay. Yeah. Now I need the what is the region wise total revenue also. How to click from the region wise total revenue. Yeah. Total revenue. Now go with the pivot charts. How to click the which charts are you can able to need. You need from the column chart. You need the pie chart. I have to select from the pie chart only. Same. Okay. Now we can able to rename total revenue by region wise, right? Region, sorry, region wise select to. I need the data labels also. Same, compress the data labels and can select from data outlook and decrease in the size and copy. Control C, go with the report and Control V, paste it here. Yeah, can decrease in the sizes, so that is your wish. Can decrease in the sizes. Yeah, can keep it here. Now I need the one more chart how to create from here. Same go with the data labels, insert and pivot table. Yeah, okay, okay. Now I need the one more chart. What is the total revenue by product wise, gender wise, right? Now what is the product is gender wise product revenue and revenue wise, right? One of the small request, I really, if you like this, you like and subscribe my channel. Along I'll give the description for data set link also. Please download the data set link and you also get to practice. Okay, when you are practicing, you can able to write from the resume can add from this project. Definitely when you go from the any interview, there is ask for the know from the skills. But if it doesn't have any project, you cannot select from any company. Okay, if I have to do this projects and lot of projects are available in my playlist, you can able to check from my description for I'll give in the playlist also. And please check and please like and subscribe my channel. Lot of guys are seeing my videos but is not subscribing. Please guys, please subscribe my channel. And really if like this, will like and subscribe my channel. And also I'll give the description for Instagram and Telegram link. I'll regularly posting from the regularly posting from the interview questions, job updates, and lot of videos are uploading from my Telegram channel. And please follow regularly. Right, let's go to create it. Let's go with the to a chart. Now you can able to select the column and that is your wish. Can able to select the line and can select from the pivot and area. Yes, it is okay and place okay. And I need the data labels also. Click the data labels and data outlook. Yes. Now I need the a title also, total revenue by gender wise, gender by product. Yeah, correct. Right now we have to select from this, select go with the report, have to paste from here. Yes, can paste it here. First can decrease in the sizes here, equal. Yeah, same here also. Yes, can decrease in the sizes. And one second. Yeah, now can able to easy to observe. Can data labels can remove this, okay, I think. Yes, or can remove from this title. Yeah, now it is okay. Can need the data labels also. Yeah, can decrease in the sizes. Keep it like that. Wait. Yeah, that is your wish. If you need data labels or no need also, that is your wish. Right. Nice, no? Yeah. No, I need the one more that I need. What is the total revenue by product country wise? I need the what is the different countries. I need the only what is the country by total revenue. Right. Go with the one more data and go with the insert. Import the pivot table. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I need the what is the country wise revenue. Yes. Now we can need the charts. That is all. Yeah. I have select from the chart. This. Okay. I need the title also. One second. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Yeah, total revenue by country. Yes, yeah. I need the data labels. Same. If you need data labels also, if you need or no need also, that is your wish. That is your optional. Yeah. Now you can same can like that. Can keep it from this. Yes. Yes. Again, you can just keep from here. Again, same here. Yeah. Yes. Can keep there. Yes, now can easy to observe from here. Can decrease in the size again. Keep it here. Yes, same copy the chart. 1 second. Can decrease in this. Yes, same copy the chart and go to the report and can paste from here. Yes. When now you have any changes also can need border, and if you need colors also can able to go from here. If you need quick line and can change the width, can able to shadow if you need, right? There is a lot of options also. We'll explain later. Remove from. Yes. If you need any problem also, please contact with me Instagram and Telegram links. I will give the description for you. Don't worry about that. Dataset link also I'll give in the description for you. Yes, keep it from here. One can able to decrease in the sizes. Yeah. Yes. Now four charts are completed successfully. Now have to create a one of the different slices. The slices are very important. First have to create a one of different slices. Now I need the monthly slicer. Go with the view. Uh, Go with the view. Now 1 second. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Here is the slices. Yeah. Now can able to click from slices. I need the okay. Go with the table data. Now I need the slices also. How to go with the import with the insert. pivot table. Now I need to select from the different slices also. Yeah, I need to monthly slicer and yearly slicer, quarter slicer, and product slicer also I need. Okay, now keep it here. Yes, now one by one can able to select from here, copy, go with the report and paste it from here. Yeah, paste it from here. Yes, yeah, paste it from here, go with the one more. Now I need the border slicer also. Same, go with the copy and paste it here. We need, yes, decreasing the sizes. Yeah. Now one more. I need the yellow slicer also. Copy. Go with the report. Copy here. Yes. And decreasing the size first of all. Yes. Keep it here. And go with the sheet width. And this is a product slicer. Go with the report. Keep it here. They have place now. Okay, let's keep it here. Yes. Now I need the title also. My title was financial dash board. Can select from this. Go with the there, and I need the merge and center. 1 second. Can select from this like that, and can select merge and center. Right. Now I need to increase in the sizes also. If you need font, yeah, 28 and bool. I can able to change the color also. That is white color, and can change the background color also, can able to change it. Yeah, this is important for title. Why I use the title means when I have to create a lot of charts, when I can easy to find the use the title is a financial dashboard. That is the only reason I have to create one of the title. That is your wish. Have to create a title or that is not able to create from, that is not a matter. When I only to when you know of the creating, no, it is okay for you, right? You can able to increase the sizes. Now after the creating the slices, you have to do the one thing. First click the right click. Now report connections. If I give the report connection from level 1, report connection. If you're not able to give from the report connection, you can able to check. Now it is give from the report connection. You can give selective 8th month, you can able to change. But you cannot able to give from any report connection. You can select from here. This have no changes from here, right? Now you can able to same right click, go with the report connection, and you can able to check from here. Yes, which report can able to give the connection, this report will be reflected, right? Yeah. Okay, now you can able to observe quarter 3, right? You can observe 2029. So yeah, same right click and go with the report connection, and you can click from the everything. Yes. Yeah. Okay, now same product also, you can give the report connection and click here. Yes. Okay, now we can able to observe any the small, yes, laptops. Yes, now can able to observe now, can able to change it, right? I can remove it. Yes, now the successfully complete the financial dashboard, guys. Right, using MS Excel. This is the one of the first time I have to create from using MS Excel. In the previous videos also, in my further videos also, definitely I will do create a lot of videos also. Please subscribe my channel, right? And bye bye.